I mean, I would never consider myself as being an introvert. I just would not, because I'm not.
I would say to a certain extent everyone is a psychologist of some kind, because we live in a society in which we're always trying to find the reasons why people behave in the way that they do.
Happy, bubbly, a bit self-conscious.
Ambitious, competitive and fairly intelligent.
I'm really, really, really lazy.
Diligent and ambitious.
I know that I've got sides to me that can be quite mean or thoughtless at times.
I'm quite paranoid.
Very hedonistic and I live for the moment.
I think I get my diligence from my dad.
We all have opinions about ourselves and why we're like that.
My parents are very outgoing sort of people and therefore the external influence of them may be an effect upon me.
I suppose my parents have always built me up to believe that I could do what I want to do.
Because over the years, family and friends have sort of expected that of me.
But can we get beyond these common sense opinions? Psychology suggests we can. But what exactly is psychology? What do psychologists do? And how have they tried to explain our behaviour?
Psychology is trying to make sense of what people think, what they feel and what they do.
Psychology is the science of behaviour and of experience.
What we're all interested in is what mechanisms, what processes affect behaviour and produce behaviour in the people we see around us.
The difference between common sense psychology and scientific psychology is that we use particular types of methods, scientific methods, on a systematic basis to try to identify exactly what is going on and the reasons why a person behaves the way that they do.
Psychologists explore the way we think about the world, how we change over the course of our lives, how and why we're different from each other, and how our behaviour is shaped by our experiences with others.
But psychologists have got to do more than ask interesting questions. They've got to come up with a few answers. There's no single approach in psychology, but for some psychologists, many of the answers are to be found here, in the biology of the human brain.